How to get working Smashburger promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Smashburger promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Smashburger. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. $15 offer, $10 offer, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. No code required. For some offers, you will not require any code. Just click on shop now. You will be directed to the official website of Smashburger. Now you can log into your account, browse through the menu, and confirm your order. The offer will be automatically applied to your order and you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page you're going to find tons of offers. Well, also you can check out this website, as this website will also provide you working promo code for Smashburger. Well, this is how you can easily get working Smashburger promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.